Welcome to a tutorial on viewing your YouTube subscribers from your phone. For some reason YouTube doesn't make this a default option on the YouTube app on iOS. As you can see, we are inside the app, and there is no way to view our subscribers. This is how you can do it. Let's begin. Exit the YouTube app, and instead open up Safari or any web browser. Go to YouTubecom. At the top right of the screen, click on the three dots, and then tap on Desktop. This will now reload the desktop version of the site. On the top right of the screen, tap on your YouTube profile image and then click on Creator Studio. In the Creator Studio, tap on Community from the left sidebar. Within Community, you can then click on the Subscribers page from the same left sidebar. You can now view your list of subscribers. But note that not everyone will be visible here, only people who have chosen to allow their subscriptions to be visible to the public. It's likely that many of your subscribers won't show here. And that draws an end to this tutorial on viewing your YouTube subscribers from your phone. If you found the video helpful, please like the video.